My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2021 Audi A1. This vehicle has done just over 40,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On the touchscreen we can see that we have radio, media, Bluetooth, settings, my vehicle and Apple and Android CarPlay. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can hear that it comes with parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.